I've created this video to demonstrate how you can use virtualization for your day-to-day productivity. With the cost of PCs, Macs and virtualization coming down, you can easily use virtualization as a personal user. It is not necessarily something that can be used only by the enterprises. For example, this is a Mac and it is running Mountain Lion as the operating system, and you might want to use applications like iMovie, which allows you to compile movies and produce the movies into different formats. Or you might want to use applications like Keynote, which allow you to create good effects within your presentations, similar to the PowerPoint presentations. But PowerPoint is not so good in creating screen effects where you can use the Keynote. At the same time, for easily creating presentations, you might also want to use Windows. So you can go to the virtualization menu and you can start a Windows instance from there. So I'm starting a Windows 7 Ultimate instance here for launching some of the Windows applications. So this is Windows 7 64-bit, and I might want to launch applications which are very popular, they are very common applications like Excel or Word. It is not about MS Office as such, but you can launch any application within Windows from here. There could be situations wherein you might want to use different versions of the same application. For example, in MS Office, you might want to use Office 2007 for connectivity to Oracle, which is fine-tuned for connectivity, and maybe you want to use Office 2013 for using the high-end publication features available within that version. So I'm going to Windows 7, on which I have preloaded MS Office 2013, and I'm resuming that instance. So this is Windows 7 64-bit, another instance. The instance is resumed. Now I can start applications like Excel 2013 or maybe Word 2013 or any application within Windows. The objective is not to show you how you can use Office. The objective is how you can use virtualization to use multiple applications running along different operating systems. Like that, you can also install your MS Office 2013 and MS Office 2007 on a single instance of Windows by way of patching Windows with a patch called as Windows Virtual PC, which will allow you to install different versions of Office or any other applications. But there are several limitations. You cannot use those applications simultaneously. You have to use one version at a time, and when you switch from one version to another, there could be situations where it could take a very long time, or sometimes your PC or Mac will not hang, but if it is a PC, then the instance can hang. So you can now go back to Mac. If you are an end user, then you would probably never need Linux, or if you want to host some servers, you can also make use of Red Hat Enterprise Linux or any other version of Linux to host servers. But for today's topic, I won't be going into how you would host servers on a Mac using Red Hat Linux. So for the time being, this video I think would be enough for you to understand how you can use multiple applications covering multiple platforms like Windows 7, or maybe if you want to use XP, you can also use that in the virtualization mode. Thank you. Bye bye.